Let me show you how to get residential proxies that you can use for free. I'm talking about residential proxies that are working perfectly fine, have high uptime, and can be used for several online activities. First of all, this video is strictly for educational purposes. I do not encourage any illegal activities. I will show you 3 websites where you can get free residential proxies from. We will test them out and see if they are working or not. Then I will tell you the best one among them. What you need to do is to sit back and watch this video carefully so that you don't end up making mistakes in the end. So the first thing I want you to do is to open your browser and type hoa.net. As you can see here, this website will show you your real IP and your real location. Now you can use proxies to change your location to another location. For those people who don't know what a proxy is what people use to change their device location. You can be living in Nigeria, but you can use a proxy to make it look like you are browsing from the United States. People use proxy to visit websites that are not normally available in their country. And people also use proxy to do multiple account setup online with less risk of detection and bounce. For example, let's say Mr. A is trying to create an account online, but when he visits the website, he finds out that the website doesn't accept people from his country. So Mr. A gets a proxy and changes his location to another country and successfully created the account. That's how proxies work, and I am about to show you how to get free proxies. But first, let me welcome you to JJ Ends. On this channel, I basically teach people how I make money online through online surveys, online earning websites, online businesses, and so on. I also share some useful tips and tricks that will help make your life easier and more productive. So if you want to see more of this from me, simply subscribe to my channel. Also join my WhatsApp and Telegram community where I share some exclusive updates frequently. All the links to my communities are in the description and pinned comments of this video. So let's get started with the first website. Like I said, hoa.net shows your real actual location, and right now you can see that I am browsing from Port Harcourt in Nigeria. You can even see my network provider and everything. So whenever I visit a website, the website can know all these things. So if I try to create a USA PayPal account right now, PayPal will ban my account because they will also see all these things. They will know that I am from Nigeria and browsing from Port Harcourt, and they will ban my account. Or let's say I want to earn money from surveys, then I visit a USA survey website. They will also see these things and tell me that I am not accepted because I am not a USA resident. Now let me change my device location using a free proxy. There are many proxy providers out there. Some of them charge money, and the ones that charge money are the most reliable ones. If you want to do anything serious with proxies, I advise that you buy one, but feel free to use these free ones for some basic online tasks. The first website where you can get free proxies is called WebShare. The link is displayed on the screen right now. And you can also get the link in the pinned comment and description of this video. Now when you arrive here, you can clearly see what the website is about. It says here, fast, reliable proxies you can set up yourself, get 10 free proxies and access flexible plans for residential, ISP, and so on. No credit card required, which is exactly what we are looking for. You can scroll down further to read more about the website yourself, such as how to connect the proxy and how to use it. Because doing your own research is also very important when it comes to online things. So take your time and do your own research on this. Now to get free proxies from this simple website, all you need is to create a free account. So click on get 10 free proxies. You will be asked to create your new account. You can either register with your Google account or you can manually register using your email address and password. Just enter your email address here, then enter your password and click I agree to terms and conditions. You can click to view the terms and conditions yourself. After that, click the sign up button. You may be asked to complete this Google CAPTCHA to confirm that you are not a robot. After that, your account will be created and you will see this prompt. Under the product category, click free, then go to proxy list. And just like that, you will receive your 10 free proxies that you can start using. You will see each proxy profile with its credentials. Swipe left to see the country of the proxy profile. You can see proxy address, port, username, and password. You will also be able to see the status of each proxy profile in real time. Now, what you need is to copy the credentials of the proxy profile you want to use and store it somewhere. Just tap on each result to copy it. Then store it inside a text file. As for me, I want to use a United States proxy, so I will copy this one. Now let me show you how to use this proxy. To apply the proxy to your device, you need an app. There are many apps that allow you to apply proxy to your device, but the one I'm going to use for this tutorial is called Super Proxy. You can download it on Play Store. Just search for Super Proxy and you should be able to see it. This is the icon. Just download and install it on your device, then open it. When you open it, you will see this interface. As you can see, it says there are no proxies available. So you need to add one of the proxies you got from WebShare. Just click the Add Proxy button. Here you need to name your proxy profile. Just give it a name that you can remember. Let's say you want to change your device location and do affiliate marketing. Then you can give it a name like Affiliate Marketing Proxy or something similar. Then on the protocol, select HTTPS. Then the server is this thing you are seeing here. Make sure you copy the full digit and make sure you are using a single record. For example, if you enter the IP address of this one, you can't use the port of this other one. So I will copy the server address and paste it here. If the server is working, you will see this green check mark. Then copy the port and paste it in the port field. Also make sure it is showing the green check mark. Then click authentication method and choose username and password. Some proxies don't have username and password, but this one does. And the ones with username and password are better than the ones with no username and password. So choose it. After that, click this save icon on the top right of the screen. Then click this back arrow. Here is the proxy I just created. I can start it right now and my location will change immediately. To start it, click on the proxy, but first remember that my current location is in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, right? So let me start this proxy. As you can see, if I start it, the timer will show up on top of the screen. Then this stop button will also appear here. Now let me go back to hoa.net and see if my location has been changed. So I will just refresh the page and allow it to load. As you can see, my location now shows that I am in Seattle in the United States. That's how it works. Remember I told you that I will show you 3 websites where you can get free proxies. Let me show you the remaining 2. The second one on my list is Old Proxy. This website also gives you free proxy profiles that you can use. The link to this website is also going to be in the description and pinned comments of the video, so check it out. When you click it, you will be taken to the home page. You can either download the app or use the website. Just click Try Web Free and you will be taken to the registration page. On this page, you can register with your email and password. Just enter your email here, then click Get Code and a code will be sent to your email address. Copy the code and paste it here, then enter a password for your account and click the register button. Immediately you are done creating your account, you will see this prompt that says claim free 200 MB of proxy. Click the claim button to claim it. After claiming the free 200 megabytes proxy, you can start using it right away. Just select the country proxy you want to use, then select the route like this. As for the IP rotation, select 90 minutes, then choose SOCKS5 for the protocol. You can enter any quantity you want, but I will choose 10, then click extract. Just like that, you will receive 10 free proxy profiles you can use. You can see them here. Remember I showed you how to apply the proxy to your device a few minutes ago. Just copy the proxy profiles and store them somewhere so that you can see them anytime you want. And the third website where you can get free proxy profiles is called Proxyfly. When you arrive on the homepage of the website, you can see exactly what it says. It says get free HTTPS and SOCKS5 proxies from over 100 countries. Now, to get free proxies from this website, you don't even need to create an account. Just scroll down a little. Here you can generate free proxies. First, select the country of the proxy you want to use. I will choose Australia for this example. Then on the protocol section, choose SOCKS5. Then as for the format, I prefer to use text file because it is easier to understand, especially for new users. After that, click Get Proxies button below and proxy profiles will be generated for you. So let me know how it goes for you, and if you have any questions about this video, feel free to comment down below. And if you are interested in my content, why not subscribe, then join my WhatsApp and Telegram groups for future updates. Have a nice day.